Today we are going to do change game using dynamic part material. So here we have thousands, hundreds, tens, units and large cards. So let's begin the change game. Let's take handful of units and hundreds. Now let's take tens. Now let's take hundreds. Then we have thousands. Now, can you tell me how much is this quantity? How many units, how many tens, hundreds and thousands are there? Can you tell me? No, I also don't know. So, shall we check? Shall we count and check how many are there? Let's check. Before counting, let's separate the quantities. Thousands at one side, then hundreds, let's take out the tens. Units on one side. So we have separated the quantities, but still we don't know how many units, tens, hundreds and thousands are there. So let's count and check. So let's start with units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. So once you reach 10 units, we need to change them. We need to change them into bar of 10 because 10 units is also called bar of 10. So we got bar of 10. We still have few more units left with us. Let's count them. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. So again we got 10 units. So change them to bar of 10. You have few more units left with you. So let's count and check how many are there. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. Okay, we got 10 units. So change them to bar of 10. Still you have few more units left with you. So count and check. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units. So we got 6 units and we don't need to change them because if you have 10 units, then we can change it to 1 bar of 10. So we leave 6 units as it is. Now shall we count and check how many tens are there? Let's begin. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens. When we reach 10 tens, what do we need to do? We need to change it to 1 square of 100 because 10 tens is also called 100. So let's put back this 10 tens and change it with 100. We have few more tens left with us. So let's count and check. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So we have 10 tens. So what do? We will change it to 1 square of 100. So we have few more tens left with us. Let's count and check. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. So we got 3 tens. Leave 3 tens as it is. Let's start counting the hundreds. Let's count and check how many hundreds are there. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds is also called 1000. So we change this 10 hundreds to 1 cube of 1000. So put back this 10 hundreds. We get 1 cube of 1000. We still have few more hundreds left with us. So let's check how many are there. 100, 200, 300. So we are left with 300. So do we need to change it? No, because for changing we need 10 hundreds. If there are 10 hundreds, we can change that 10 hundreds to 1000. Here we have 300s, so we leave them as it is. Now let's count and check how many thousands are there. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. So we got 6,000. So how many are there? 6,300, 3 tens and 6 units. After changing, counting and changing, we got this quantity. Let's show it with the cards. 6,000, 300, 3 tens and 6 units. So put this quantity together. So after changing and counting, we are left with 6,300, 3 tens and 6 units. So this is change game.